Hello folks, TheFallenStarlight here. Going to give you a Beyblade unboxing. So here we go. No, you can see that. Okay, this one's not really working well. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Sorry about this. Sorry delay. Okay, there we go. And there we go. Hot pockets. Oh, neat. Using some magazine clippings. Alright, here we go. Here it is. Oh, where are my scissors at? Oh, I always keep losing my scissors. I always keep losing those scissors. Yeah. Okay, let me see if we can open this without scissors. Oh, yeah. Powerful. I always like to use scissors because I like to be safe. Okay, flywheels. I don't have an actual flywheel, but yeah. Yeah, it says flywheels here. Yeah. Oh, wait, that's upside down. So, there you go, flywheels. Thankfully I got another easy customized grip, so I'll be thankful that I can sell one. Is there a bit chip in here? Oh yeah, there's some bit chips in here. Yeah, generic bird bit chips. Yeah, nothing special. Nothing special about those. Okay, got some launchers here. Okay, here's blue HMS launcher, and thankfully it's well stickered. Very well stickered. That's nice. Okay, good. This is a Hasbro part, so this is like from. Oh, it looks blue right here, dark navy blue, but it's really, as you can see right there on my hand. Hopefully, you can see from this clipping as well. Yep, see there you can see it's violet color. Here's some Beyblade parts. Oh wow, this is freaking small. Here's our Dragoon S, and as you can see, Hasbro, they designed their Dragoon S with a much more decent extended line, so that this will not be chipped. It's a limited edition color, and the rubber is still intact. That's good. And yeah, ironically, the eye stickers are still intact, but not the red stickers. Master Dragoon Recolor, BBA, Driger S attack ring, upper version. Here's another Driger S upper version with the stickers attached on the attack ring. That's nice. Okay, Wyvern DJ. I got another one. Thankfully, it's well stickered too. Nice. Here's a standard ripcord. A red HMS winder ripcord. Okay, here's a left spin launcher. The original, old school. Easy right spin. And yep, it's still good intact. Here's an orange HMS launcher. And here's, yep, Dragoon S. Let me see if the parts are still good. Let's see about the running core. It's still in good condition, thankfully. So here's the attack ring. So thankfully it's still in good tack too. Okay. The chip, the bit beads. Well, it looks like this person somehow managed to do this. There's the bit piece, and there's the emblem sticker underneath. I don't know if you're actually supposed to do that, but yeah. So let me get the the wide weight disc, wide circle weight disc here. And this one's actually a bit scratched, so I had to like dusting it up. So here it is, Dragoon S. And yep, this is actually one of the smallest HMS Beyblades I've ever seen. There you go, Dragoon S. I finally got it. Unless I still have to, freshen this one up. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. There's my unboxing for today, and thanks for watching. Bye.